In prime time news this evening, what do Jamaicans think about how a president is elected? We have the answer in the RJ Aglina Don Anderson polls. Government makes allocation for the local government election. And tragedy in Portmore community as 2 people, including a child, die in house fire.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Javon Keys is here.
Well, Janella, lots in business news today. NCB Financial Group has announced some more leadership changes. I'll have the details a little later on. I'll also have some news on the energy sector from the business community and, of course, your gas prices, so you don't want to miss any of that.
Thank you, Keys. And what's Jermaine in sports tonight? Jermaine?
Well, Archie, I'll tell you. The reggae girls, they just missed out in their Olympic qualifying bid, but nothing to be ashamed of. They're back home beaming with pride. And there's some trouble brewing in local cycling. We'll tell you about that and more a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking about our lead story. What do you make of the recent leadership changes at the country's largest commercial bank, NCB?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail, right after the break.